Hello, my name is Natalie Mack. Welcome to my art studio. I'll show you my embroidery materials and tools. Sorry of my English. I learned English recently, but I hope you understand me. Start in shelf. I have box with threads. There are old fittings. There are floss and threads. At first I bought this container, but I don't like it because it is really small. Now I keep floss in this container. I have satin threads and metallized threads, and I have cotton floss. I prefer anchor and damask. I use these bobbins for floss. There are materials for kit in this package. I create tutorials and kit. You can buy them in my store. Okay, let's look at next box. Here you can see some beads, which I use it not often. There are big size beads and really bright. I don't like use it often in my embroidery. I prefer quiet and luxury colors. Often I use silver and gold materials. Let's to see next box. There are chenilles, French chenilles and French cord. I have a lot of chenilles, different colors. Next box, I have my old bright beads. I don't use it. Next box, I have a gimp. I really like embroidery with gimps. I buy Indian gimps, different color. There are two notebooks. There is a container with crystals. There are small crystals, Czech and Swarovski. I love my sketchbook. I always make sketch before embroidery. Next note is my planner. Here I have dressing paper and a long ruler for saving. You can see my thimble collection. It is a really small collection. Here you can see container with gimps, but I don't like small container because all package of gimps does not fit on these small containers. But I like big containers the same small. I like keep gimps in box. Next I show you my threads. There is monofilaments. I used it long time ago. Now I use another threads. I like filament threads. There are white and black threads, size A, but I have different color ceramide. I'll show you later. I like use nylon threads because it is strong threads. This container with crystal. I use big crystals, only Swarovski or vintage cabochons. I often use crystal chain, Swarovski or Czech chain. I really like nature river pearls. I use often white pearls. Next container with fittings and other things. There are French sequins, different forms, and natural stone cabochon, and other Czech glass cabochons. There is box with pearls, Swarovski pearls. This is fittings box. There are the best fittings from Korea. This is pinned. This is fittings for earrings. Also the best. This is clothes from Japan. I like it. It's really best. It's fittings for earrings too. I have different forms. Next box is empty. It is my favorite boxes. I use it really often. There are a lot of pearls, different size, different colors, Swarovski pearls. This is comfortable box. You can see all colors, all materials when you open box. I don't like these boxes because you cannot see all materials. They don't comfortable for me. I have a lot of same boxes. There are beads and sequins, but one's color. Here is white. I use only Italian and French sequins. I have sequins different forms. There are large circle sequins, but I use it not often. There are really small sequins, 2 millimeters. There are gold sequins and beads. I use only Japanese beads, Toho. Seldom I use Czech beads by Preciosa. I really like small beads, 15 size. I have some boxes with different color because I have not many materials, some color, and I collect them in one box. I have black beads and sequins. There are gray and blue and white materials. There are red, pink and orange materials. And there are blue and green materials. Here you can see empty boxes. There is letter on hoop. You can buy tutorial on my Etsy store how I embroidered such letter. There is mag which my friend present me. It is handmade mag. I keep my pencils, brushes and pens in it. I keep long things in this pot. There are scissors and rulers and some long brushes. This is my favorite cabinet. I made it for order. I ordered only wooden cabinet without paint, and then I painted it, and then I made cabinet candles. I use it for keep my jewelry or my materials. Here you can see crystals, eraser, some hook, l'univers hook, usual small hook, Indian hook. Now I often use it. It is my lovely needle bed. I made it 4 years ago. I want to show you how I keep a necklace. I like this necklace. It is octopus. This is in stock in my Etsy store. There are my threads. I like ceramide threads. I have different color ceramide threads. I have some metallized threads. This is Madeira, gold and silver. There are silk threads. This is Sumiko. It is the same. And I have a lot of usually cotton threads. I use it for Luneville embroidery. And I have one threads fill out chinos. And I have some threads by a salon, but I don't like it. I must use it because I bought it. There is my oil burner. I like it. It creates good atmosphere for me. I like orange oil. This is my tripod. I use it for shooting video. Subscribe on my Instagram. There is my embroidery holder. It is really comfortable for me. I can make different position of it. There is my cabinet. This is hair for doll. It is my palette for beads. I made it 1 or 2 years ago. I have some tools for jewelry. Small scissors. I have 3 scissors. This is scissors for threads and fabrics, sharp scissors for gimps, and scissors for paper. This is usual cotton threads. There is compass. is wire, and I have a lot of hoops, adhesive tape for packaging. There are wires different sizes. I have mat for beads and sequins and other materials for embroidery. I have a copy paper for copy patterns on fabric. There are felts, different colors. I use soft and hard felts. There are paper and list for my tutorials. I have a big box with floss, but I don't like this floss because I bought it 5 years ago and I don't understand which threads are good, but now I prefer anchor and demi-esse threads. I really like high quality materials and I try embroidery by them. That's all. I hope my workshop will improve. Subscribe on my channel. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching. I wait your comments. Do you like my workplace? What do you think? Bye bye.